You're not depressed. You just
I
don't know
who needs to hear
yourself.
this, but
And
there's
that
no
creates
such
an
thing as
identity
depression.
crisis.
Or there shouldn't be no such thing as depression. See, it's all about understanding emotions. We have to understand emotions. Society and the way that we grew up and the way that we learned about emotions will have you thinking that emotions are just simply love, anger, sadness, depression, anxiety, so forth and so forth. But that's so incorrect, right? That's so incorrect. There's a couple things that we have to understand, right? We have to understand in order to understand your emotions and in order to understand yourself. One, the conscious is in the heart, right? The voice inside your head that you hear inside your head when your lips are not moving is inside your heart. That's your conscious, right? And the brain is only an extension of the heart, right? When you're a baby, the first organ that is here is what? Your heart. With that being said, we have to understand the functions of the body, right? The functions of the heart and the functions of the mind, how everything functions and work together, right? That being said, the heart sends signals to the brain via neurotransmitters, right? You can Google this, via neurotransmitters, right? And the signals that's being sent to you, from your heart to your brain are norepinephrine, which is norepinephrine. I think that makes your heart race. Serotonin is satisfaction. Adrenaline, we all know what adrenaline is. We all know what dopamine is. This is why they call drugs dope, because it's from a chemical that is organically produced into the body. Oxytocin is what we call love. Cortisol is what we call stress. Mix cortisol with adrenaline, you have fear, right? So understand, these are chemicals. These chemicals are hormones, right? But even the word hormones breaks down to living in harmony, right? Hormones, harmony, get it? Emotions, energy and motions, emotions, get it? The most important part of this video is to understand you have something called the anterior cingulate cortex, right? The same lobe of your brain that lets you know of physical pain is connected to emotional pain. However, emotional pain is worse because emotional pain hits the spirit a lot faster than physical pain.